Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by powering down and unplugging. Safety first. Next, use a clean microfiber cloth with a 70% isopropyl wipe to dissolve oils and reveal true scratch depth. This step prevents extra abrasion. Once done, tilt the screen under bright light to categorize scratches. Light surface marks versus deeper gouges. That assessment tells you whether polishing or screen replacement is required, so take your time and be precise before applying any compound. You'll apply a pea-sized amount of non-abrasive polish. Cerium oxide works for glass onto a soft foam applicator. With gentle pressure, work in small circular motions. This evens out micro scratches without cracking coatings. Move in controlled passes of 30 to 60 seconds per spot, then wipe clean and inspect. If you see improvement, repeat once more. If not, stop. Make sure to avoid aggressive scrubbing, because that removes anti-reflective coatings and makes damage worse. After polishing, wipe all residue away with a damp microfiber cloth, then dry the screen completely to prevent streaks. This reveals the final result. Test the display for visual artifacts or loss of anti-reflective coating. Make sure touch response and image clarity are intact. If deep scratches remain or the coating is damaged, stop and consider professional screen replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if haze appears, it's likely coating damage. Do not repolish, and consult repair services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.